So we're gonna go on Tilt-A-Whirl. And we have my grandma here too. In the back right there. Yeah. Alright, we're on the Tilt-A-Whirl now. I'm scared. There was literally a ride, what was it, 2 nights ago? Yep. Last night. 2 nights ago where the magic carpet, it kind of broke down. Oh, we're starting. Wait, this way, this way, this way. We're just switching to leave. Whoa. We just got down on the Tilt-A-Whirl. Where's Talise? Say hi, Grandma. But we're gonna go on me and Allie are gonna go on Shock Drop, and I'll have my grandma record from here. Just got off a Shock Drop, now we're on one ride.
It's super, it's bad, it's the super bad. Come on, squirrel, girl.
That really ripped us around. I don't want to go on a ride right now, but Allie and Talise are on the Orbiter. They're going for round 2.
Come on, everyone, there.
Hey, we are now on, what is this called?
Zero gravity.
Oh, zero gravity. Alright, I'm gonna try to hold it, but it's gonna go like, oh, you're gonna see my double chin when we go. So I don't know. I'll try to, because I've been holding my pop socket so it doesn't fly. well, I just got done on Zero Gravity, and Allie and Talise are still on there. Talise was so scared, but I told her she'd be fine. So she liked it enough to go on a second time. So they're still on there. I'm gonna record them on there. Me and Allie, we're gonna go on OMG. It's this one. It goes upside down. Gonna have my grandma record. second time, Allie yelled, one more time, and he went on one more time, so that was nice. But when I got off the second time, I broke my nail. It's like, I don't know, it's just hard to get out. It hurts a little, but not that bad. It looks all ugly. But we're about to go do bumper cars. I can switch back and forth.
What's the button for?
To go?
Quem tá presente, as novinhas ali, se colocando e se joga pra gente. Vai com o bumbum tam tam, vem com o bumbum tam tam tam, vai desce o bumbum tam tam, vem desce o bumbum tam tam tam, vai desce tam tam, vem desce o bumbum, vai com o bumbum, vem com o bumbum.
What's the button?
Where's to leave?
Thank you for renting the bumper car. Please be careful while exiting and come back and see us again.
Just got some slushies. We're gonna bring them to Allie and Talise. I'll just hold it right here again. Whoa! Oh, man. Oh, that's, oh, big flips. Big flips. Big flips. Oh. I didn't even know where we were for a second. I know. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh! Well, okay, we can stop rocking now. Oh man. Just got done on the zipper and they're about to go in here. Just got done with Talise going on that one. Now we're on this baby teacup ride. The lady was nice enough to let me come on even though I don't got a kid with me. But Talise and Allie are just over there. Alright, I think we're getting close to being done at the Cherry Festival. We've been here for about 2 hours. Say hi, Talise. We're waiting to go on those wheels just right here. Getting a little more crowded here. It's about 2-something p.m. What time is it? 2:41. 2:41 p.m. Almost 3. My grandma's somewhere over that way getting some Gibby fries in the back. That'll be good. And I'm gonna also get a cheeseburger from one of these stands because I'm hungry. We just got onto the Ferris wheel. Good up here. It does. Definitely get cold off up here. And my grandma's somewhere behind us. Let's try to look for her. She is sitting underneath that tree. Let's see her hat. Whoa, look at the view behind us. We're way up there. Wow. And this is our view from up here. Hold on. Me and Grandma are eating. Oh, it's a video. Me and Grandma are eating Gibby's fries. So me and Talise, we are outside of a food stand here. We're about to get something to eat. She's gonna get a, what are you gonna get? I'm gonna get a corn dog. I'm gonna get a cheeseburger. And then Allie, she saw one of her friends, so she's gonna ride rides with them for a little bit while we eat. But I'm starting to feel a little dehydrated. We've been here like just a little over 2 hours now. I had some Gibby fries with my grandma though, so we're gonna go sit back with her. I'm gonna also get more Gibby fries though, because we already went through almost the first bucket. But we're having fun. What was your favorite ride, Talise?
I think maybe the Orbiter.
The Orbiter. Yeah, that was a fun ride. Alright, we're sitting out here. We're watching Allie on the zipper. We've been here almost 3 hours now. I'm getting tired, so we'll probably But that's them on there. But we'll see. And my sister told me that someone puked on OMG. That's crazy. Talise, which one was the scariest ride for you? None of them? Ah, snap. Brave. We got a brave girl up here. So we are on our way out. There's OMG. Just now wrapping up. But definitely more people here now. But we are peacing out.